I've got the old Tahoe in the garage, some hardware laying over there, snatching the fog lights out. I got some parts straight out of Woolon. Come on. Opened up, pop highlight in it real quick, or fog light, I guess what they are. Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. I got these fog lights installed. I'm going to put LEDs in it to match the rest. I thought they'd come with LEDs, but they didn't. Come with these for chrome, but I'm gonna leave them black. Not a chrome guy. But all I gotta do is install that plug and play harness up here. It's gonna go from that light to that fog light, come up here, and then it ties into the headlight harness. So I guess you can run it either side, but we'll just plug her all on in. So there it is. Like I said, it's a plug and play system. Mine is a power wire. It has its own power supply. It has its own relay, and it pulls a switch off the factory low beams. So not bad. Very nice. Just got to get some LEDs put in there, and then she'll be complete. Match the rest of her. And there we are with them LEDs. Got rid of the old halogens. They come in today. Just some, I think, Sylvania 5202s, I believe. So, easy day. So I just got back from the local supermarket. I think it's like a half pound, or it might be a pound, I don't know. Once it cooks down, it don't look like nothing. But that's chorizo, pork chorizo. I'm gonna go ahead and get some fresh eggs cracked up, scrambled, throw in this doggone thing, and we gonna make some breakfast burritos for dinner. And then pretty much just making some unhealthy breakfast burritos for breakfast for the week. So stick around, watch it, like it, and enjoy it. So I got 7 fresh eggs dumped off in here. We'll go ahead and scramble them up real good. I already did scramble them in a bowl. You don't have to do that. I mean, it's just what I do. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really make much of a difference. But get all this stuff real mixed in, nice and homogeneous. And we'll have breakfast burritos for tonight and for tomorrow morning. Can't go wrong with that, can you now? This plate's about to walk off the stovetop. Now we'll bust off some cheese in there. It's about done. All I gotta do is mix this up. And you already know I'm going to put more cheese on it when I make the actual burrito. Woo! Oh yeah, it smells good. I know, don't taste good. Big fan of that pork chorizo for breakfast now. Some people don't like it. It's kind of what some people consider trash meat of the, well, just what some people don't like to eat. We eat it all now. I ain't had tripe in a long time, and I actually seen some tripe the other day when I was at the store, and I thought, dang, man, I ain't had tripe in a long time. The old Dodge over there. Got a little thrift here. Some tires, some wheels. I say there's some chip. They ain't perfect, but they're not like curb rash. That's just probably from rocks or something. I say paint's just peeling off it. Nothing a little powder coat can't fix. But I guess I'll throw them on the truck and just see if I even like them. I kind of like them, but at the same time I kind of don't. So I'll throw them on there and just see what they look like. And we'll just see. We'll go from there. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. Rim looked alright. There ain't no sidewall on it. So it's different on that Chevy I had. It's all tighter. So I think they have like a 2.5 leveling kit on this thing. So it brought the rear up too. So it's a little too much fender wheel gap for me. So I don't know if I'm wonder. I get on that Facebook Marketplace, see if I can't find something bigger for it. You know me. Alright, so I kind of stopped because I found some 37s. 1250 15s, or not 15, sorry. 1250 20. We're going to see about throwing some 37s on here. Too much gap in there. You can about fly a 747 through there sideways, so we're going to do a little something different. Should have plenty of room. If anything it's going to touch, it's going to be this right here. I was just looking a little close back here because these aren't, well, I mean, these tires are 12 wides, but it might touch this in here. So nothing, a little angle grinder won't pop out for you. But these, what are these, G2s? Some Terra grapplers, all terrains. Stock wheels. Come get them. Really good luck with this truck. But I did just hear some noise while I was driving, so a little investigation. A little serpentine belt. Wrapped up on the fan. Nice. It's got like 3 ribs just hanging in there. Nice. The advanced auto parts, they said they had 2 of them in stock. He's fixing to grab them. He's over there on them stairs right now. Hopefully I can get this put back together and return my 5-hour trip back to the house. So even though this belt got completely destroyed, it hung in there and allowed me to make it over here to this advanced auto parts. As y'all just seen, I picked up some parts. Always carry a toolbox on a truck, so nothing too major. I'm just replacing the whole assembly, idler and pulley. Don't want to risk it. Got ripped off on the Daco belt, whatever. So we'll go ahead and get after it. There's this idler pulley, a little fouled up. Some bearings in there. This thing just exploded. The rest of it's in the back of the truck because I pulled it off at the gas station. The cage was still in here. But these 3 little ribs was screaming for their life. Just got to throw the belt on it and I can get the heck out of this place. Alright. Looks good. Everything looks good. So I went out to Tennessee to trade the my red gooseneck that I just picked up over there. That was a flop. All I got out of it was some tires and a speeding ticket, so did get me some 5th gen rims. Brand new tires. He said they were on there for 1,500 miles. Pulled them off and he's got 37s and some 24s. Looks pretty clean, but not my style because they're chrome. So he let these go way cheaper than I've been able to find them. These typically, around this area, people post that tire right there for about $2,000 or more. There's a place in Texas you can order them for $2,000. I think it's $2,400 mailed to your door with whatever tire you want on it that they offer at that price range. 35, 37s usually. But fresh tires. Only bad thing is the doggone Firestone, so I will have to take this thing in and get them flopped around. These are junk tires anyways. They don't last that long, in my opinion and experience. But I will go get them balanced, flipped around so that the black is on the outside, white's on the inside. And then sell these, sell those. I like that a lot. I still got 35s. They're a little skinnier than the Nitos I have, but can't beat them for the price. Y'all be fucking appalled if you knew what I traded for these and what I paid for what I traded for these. I ain't gonna talk about it because it has nothing to do with the guidelines on YouTube. They don't like Second Amendment stuff, so. But all day long, I got these wheels for $500. Let's put it like that.